I'm so proud of my team, how we played. I came here to try to play the way we played today. We cannot forget against which team we played. We create more chances than Burnley and Crystal Palace when we won, and today when it happened, of course, for the quality for the opponents, we concede the first half. One chance from Hazard, and after that we arrived 2-3 more times and 3 goals at the end for the counter-attack, of course, because we attack without order. It's a pity it finished like this because the game, it was the way the referee decided, but it's a pity. So I don't like that, so apologize what happened, and that's all.